I don't. And I accept it. There's a community of education. Because if you make everything where the don't look bad on so community of education. When I say my shape bad, I may accept it. When I say I can't dress, I may accept it. When I talk all kind of bad things about me, I may accept it. They support me pretty. They support me have education. You couldn't hold me. Because me is one done, you know, and one shape bad woman, and one ugly woman, and one bother already. You have to stop it. Because I make the dance win. The dance have no talking. Yeah. When I have no GXD, no MXD, and no CXC, I'm still have the whole of no talking. Yeah. So for me to have a little bit of qualifications. So for me to have a little bit of education. What would I do? What would I do? The don't have beat on no bad. Don't have no talking. Continue talk. Yeah.
What's up, my clean-hearted One Nation family? What's up? What's up? On all book and busy. Yes, man. No time for waste. And find time to watch out people's life and people's business like many others who pretend to be book and busy when it is clear they are not book and busy, because the things where them find time for, where is not important to both society, for them life, social media life, or nothing at all. They have to wonder how them say them are business people and book and busy. Tina come out with one video and the woman they all over the place in the video. She sound as if, you know, when a man hungry and desperate and need a food, but in order to get the food there, he have to sell you some story to get to your heart or get to you to really offer him the food. That's the approach them have to take to get your attention, to get the food. That's how Tina sound in that video. Yeah. Tina start this video and do about 11 minutes. And when she realized say she wasn't having as much viewers on the YouTube channel, she cut the video and said she gonna start it on a different phone. I don't know what the difference they gonna make. She never say a different channel, you know, a different phone. So I don't know what the difference with the phone make with the subscription, because I want to find out the same rated YouTube channel she go use on a different phone. But this is how them feel like them can play like them smart. You understand? It's just that she never liked the amount of viewers that she are getting because she come out here hustling. She might see enough on the Facebook. She might see enough on the TikTok. But she want enough on the YouTube. Because one, the YouTube pay more than the Facebook. Two, she might not have any gifters over TikTok. So she have to make sure the one she's sure to earn a little from up and running. So she cut it off and she start back the video. So she come out from Noel. Me not gonna play that because there's a sound that, especially that part there with Noel, it sounds so childish. You know, like when a little pick that basic school and want one of your sandwich biscuit or one piece of your sandwich your mother put in your lunch kit, and them come and tell you some holy part, and so she sound. And she go politics with Noel out. Him a labor right, but he is still him a friend PMP if you help him. Come on, these are the norm. PMP in a power. The hierarchy, them have them labor right friend where them share things with. Labor right in a power, them have them hierarchy and them friends in a PMP where them share things with. Them have them linkage. If this is a contract here run, them now left out that one because when Theme Party in a power, him now left them out. I saw them have them things going. So I don't know where you come and talk about here. So. But as me say, she said the man, somebody must carry a Manhattan and him in a Times Square with one what? I forgot what you say, have a go on like him all make it. Like him I say, oh yes, man with the mission. And hey, she talk something about Noel. But when I say talk something, I mean some childish things. I know say the one Noel if you really stick in your miggle. But to Noel you have to use a telescope to really find your miggle or a magnifying glass to find your miggle. it never work out. So you're so jealous of every damn thing the man do to her. But this video is all about she sound concerned and stressed, jealous and bad mind over Donna's school give back because fear won't fail. Yes, because fear won't fail, she sounds so jealous, corrupt, and bad mind. Because the things that she come out here in this video are highlight. It's the norm for anywhere you go. Go see this type of the volume and bigger than the volume of charity. Yeah. Anywhere you go, you're going to see this. I will get there. The thing is, what I want you to understand, people. You see, when you see these people, even the one that claims to say they are with Donna, where Donna can't see, probably come like with her naked eye she can't see. And if you don't give her a magnifying glass, she can't see. And if you give her one glass big like the glass when Michael Andrew owns it coming in West Central St. Andrew, that is Olympic Garden, when Siaga send him come here, the glass big like one windscreen, I drive the Crusader when him just come here. And me the run after running from my gate, because me was I doing the part them time there, and see them I carry him through the community, them time my mother side of the gate, and me have to run him way. And say the whole on the politician is the same thing, who none come and tell you all kind of things to gain power, and when you don't gain power on the turn on the back against way. Them time them and me in the same age group, them depend give the youth a chance, man, at your age group, because them time them come here must be the age of 25-year-old. You understand? So we're in the same age group, few years ahead. You understand? So when him come and you know me have to run him way. But when me I say politician shares with them opposite. So when you talk about now is foolishness. But when me I say people, the volume of our charity where you see Donna do right now, how she do it, it have to go so, because there is no convenient space other than that. You understand? And remember now, let's slip the party, I can finish up statement. I just remember somebody talk about something before, but the way me I go fast and just eager to do that girl video. When you see these people come out against Donna, you have to understand the enemies who declare to be enemies, the one who becomes enemies because they did not succeed in what they were looking for, and the one them were friend her and succeed with the clear intention why them friend her and want to be associated with her because of the strong influence them sister she have. And when them reach, them feel like that is it, and them turn on and bite the hands that feed them, like recently such one. You understand? You have to understand. They all recognize the power. And when I say power now, I don't mean, you understand? That this woman have with her platform and her plank nation that she have. You notice how the woman fly down and do her look back to school something, and people from all angles just coming on board. This morning, or yes, I think this morning. Surprisingly, yes, it's not the first time, but it wasn't anything that probably she was organized with Kendall or whatsoever, and them just pull up and donate. And this wasn't the first. I see it happen already where Kendall just pull up, carry where them a carry come. And they, based on she said Kendall always a support. You understand? And this is how it have been. Tina, back to school, which is a small package, something like so, has failed. So, the magnitude of Donna one, and how she see, and what she see, who are come on board, this a company, that the company, no matter what, if I want grain or sugar, the thing is, the grain of sugar is coming from a powerhouse. Who wants to say them could have give more than a grain of sugar? The thing is, the powerhouse recognize what Donna is doing. And the recognition alone goes a far way. How much I know out here we claim to sound big and bold and bright, get any form of recognition from even people who want to claim to say they're on phone level. Not even the people that were support on even giving on any recognition. So you see the influence where Donna have, and these people see it, they will always, not care them claim say them are associate, they will always have that kind of every art they carry for her. Because why? They want to be she so much. They would want to be she. And if them try it, and it not work, then them can't hold it no more in a them. So them see the big and strong influence she have in her life. So that's the reason why these people are, that's why I tell her, I talk it every day, not tell her, but I talk it every day. So even the people them where you see, are in general I say it, your friends, who you say a friend, your family, your own picnic. Be careful. Because there is so many things, some simple little things where you wouldn't even think of. People would use to get jealous off of you, corrupt off of you. You're ashamed to believe say somebody that really use that and get corrupt against you. Simple things. Tina come out. Remember, Donna have a veranda, right? And she spread a chaparral. I didn't know. When I see this, I just see one of the video them, which are there first when she bag up the snacks them and she put out the snacks them pan the chaparral. Remember now, if it's even the only space she did have and couldn't spread no chaparral in there, remember, the actual stuff is not on the ground. The natural stuff is in a plastic bag and the plastic bag them dip on the ground. It's the only convenient space she have. She not have no round table where them have not where them keep no round table talk. And the volume of things that she have to use up the space where she have. She spread a chaparral in. Why that be a problem? You go say she come and she put on the things them on the ground because of poor people she a get. Because of poor people she a get. You a sell people things and you not have no mask on your mouth and you a chat over the mixture and a pity night. We see it with your eye. You yourself recognize say you are pitting at the batter. And when you realize that the pit fly out of your mouth, you try to catch it, and when you realize what you have to say that is not something will possible if it happen. You draw back. All that me see, me don't know much people didn't observe. People might just observe the spit come out of your mouth. But they might never observe your action towards when you yourself recognize say the spit did come out of your mouth when you chat over the batter. So you try it like you want to black it. When it was too late. You know, see them something there, people are buying things on you. But the woman spread a chaparral in her veranda to get the convenience of the space to do what she do because of the volume of things what she do. And you come out here and make a big issue. Speak my mind, people don't know the way I get into the video. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, hit the thumbs up and hit the video. Please to watch the ads, continue to support the channel and follow the backup channel Life is a Mission TV. Follow me up on TikTok, Life is a Mission TV, YouTube, Life is a Mission TV. Continue to support the merge so I can continue to assist the needy and not the greedy. I started to get the mountain back, the mountain grocery together. Plus, I'm waiting today now to tomorrow for the principal to come because she already get one of the child, but we only going to work with two as I said because I can't get them more. I can't bother to run up and down and they bust my brain. You understand? And remember now, you assist people. You understand? And people we need the assistance. It's like them don't want to come forward. It's like them want to hide behind one place and say, me not depend that with nobody. If you can't come bold and take it, me not have to put camera in your face. But if I have now one question or two questions, what about if somebody out there and I ask a few questions and the two questions I ask is not no deep, but you know somebody out there feel a pain and feel a cry and want to help this little child. You are going to block the little child blessing because of pride. Eh? So wait, when you send the picnic to school without lunch money, you don't feel like the teacher and the principal know that. You don't have no pride on that. When the principal come on your status and look and see you have the latest hairstyle and your nail and you just come from party last night and the school fee not pay, you don't have no pride about that. But if you come where somebody is going to assist in easing that pressure off of you despite. Just to ask you a few questions. How well the kids, the child are doing in school, you know, How hard you find it sometimes to send, me not have to put camera in your face. My concern is, one, is to try to see if I can help these kids the best way I can. Put them out there, not putting them out there when them picture go out there, because you know that's against. But you know, for the world out there to see, and if there is talent in this child and potential in this child, someone out there who probably can afford, who is interested in the young one getting an education, because that's where we are going to move Jamaica forward and the world. And them want to come on board and support this child. Come on. Why you going to block the child? Bless him. It not must happen. But at the same time, if somebody not hear the cry, nobody not going to know. If you're in your house and pain and lick you, you're not ball out to somebody to come assist you, nobody can know. Not to mention if you live alone. But them shy. So we're just going to work with two child. The principal get one from that school, so I tell her go ahead and get two. So we're going to work with the two and give back some book. A subscriber contact me yesterday, said she going to give me 2 bags and stuff. I may have already have 3 when I did get for myself. So that are going to be 5 bags when I pick up that. I got have 5 bags to give away some books and pencils. Just like I did it last year and stuff. Alright? So let's get into the video right here. So now support the website, charmsandtrends.shop, t-shirt, anything over there when you can get it. She kinda low. But then if I wake, she just wake and lie down on her lungs, because most of them videos are early morning. It seems like them do based on the hours when I see the video do, because this video do like what, 8 or 9 hours ago. So most time when she just wake up because she go to bed, can't sleep. And at the start of the video she say, when I wake up early I can't go back to sleep, you know. What causing you to wake up early? You go to your bed now to have a relaxing time by getting some sleep, revitalize your body, re-energize your body, to wake up fresh as a businesswoman, or wake up fresh the following day, and you can't sleep. That means you're stressed. You're stressed. Your life not comfortable. Then you wake up early, and when you wake up early, you can't go back to sleep, that you have a jump on social media. People don't listen to her because she low.
Out of politics, Jamaican politics. You know. And you know what? Any opinions, I'm going to reserve it until after the elections.
And the place is very windy.
Yeah, man. I'm going to reserve it until after the elections to talk about it and stuff like that. You get me? But anyways, people.
All me have to go listen clear to you, know, because
You know, sister.
me not hear her dissect her.
The people them food. What's the reason why she do this back to school thing? No, I'm not a fighter against anybody helping the poor and needy. You understand? Today the Prime Minister debate. Oh yeah? Okay, wait. Let me sit down and watch that to Friday. So when it starts, just hit me up if I'm on the road. Yeah? I am not a fighter of charity. When the poor and needy is getting help, I'm not a fighter of it. But, you know, I just feel like poor people need to be treated. Poor people need to be treated with respect and dignity. Not because they're poor and not because they're needy. Do you do certain things a certain type of way? So, I see this woman out there say she have pack up all of these things she say for back to school and all of them something there. Because I'm sure I'm not the only one thinking this way. Right? Because a lot of us are observers here. And we see her with this pile of sugar and stuff.
You find a lot of time to sit and observe this one woman when you know what channel like.
And it kind of, I said to myself, so, yeah, give these poor people food. You're giving these poor people food and the things that they on the ground. You understand? Take up that damn food off the ground. Take them up.
Alright, which part should I put them? In our bed? In our bed should I put them? The amount of things, it's not the handful of things when you come out here you get. Especially it could have even hold on our bed. So where she should put them? You come and you're concerned about the woman putting these things on the ground. You ever see how most of these things manufactured and Or sometimes they have been angled. Have you ever seen it? Some of them products where you nyam and a heat and all kind of sitting. Have you ever seen how they manufactured and angled into the company? Have you ever seen the raw ingredients? How them angle? Have you ever seen the raw ingredients if in a mine shop sometime expired date catch all 5 of the bag but 2 or 20 them are going to use the 5 are going to last in the 20? To come out here to come and say them should dash them they will call them the expired? Okay. You have never seen that. But the woman now, as a like a private single woman, using her platform with the influence she have on her people that supports her and the business world come on board to support her with the back to school. She has no way to spot these things, the volume of things that she have. Putting down a tarpaulin on the ground and you have a problem with that. Tina, Donna veranda ground cleaner than your mouth. The ground of Donna veranda cleaner than your hole. The ground of Donna veranda cleaner than the whole surrounding where you're living and sleeping. And that's the reason why you cannot show nowhere where you live. You think it's because you don't want people to say, Lord, she this, she that, look at our place. No. Because at times, you do give glimpse. So if your concern was about showing this, you don't want them to know so your furniture, look, you don't want them to know so your place too, you would have not done it none at all. But because you are not a person who is very cleansy, so basically sometimes your place chaka and stay away, so you're afraid to show it. Same as how before the place them kick you out, you could have come and show your painting parts and parts of the place, and you still never got to and show it everywhere. If you were afraid of people seeing the condition of where you live and where you have from where you would have not done that none at all. So I can guarantee you say veranda than a veranda floor cleaner than you hold your mouth and your surrounding where you're living at.
You're feeding human beings, you're not feeding dogs. Take the damn food off of the ground that you're going to feed to these needy people. Maybe it's me, but I just feel like
We just always want the woman to look bad and care what the good what she do.
like that, putting the food on the ground just kind of sends a message.
There is nothing this woman can do.
Am I the only one?
Good one enough find something bad to say.
Am I the only one who sees the food on the ground and just was like, and turn up my nose at it? Am I?
Almost every charitable organization when we see with them volume, a package and giving back here. Do actually when we see Donna do spread tarpaulin to get a wider space to do what them I do. So why you have a problem with Donna? Government facility do it. Reputable charity me see them do it. Because if them even have 1, 2 or 1, 3 table, the volume and the care packages, when them a package, them not have enough table for do it. And you cannot be doing so many things that you're going to use one little table, like one little dining table, you can hold 6 chairs. And when you're going to done package them, they sitting there. I remember, Anna, like, you just a package, little sugar, little rice, and little flour, which is 3 items. So you can do one by one. Remember your office, if a biscuit, you have about 500 different products. Whether biscuit, different type of biscuit, you go and single out and you go put them, and you line them up. So you're packaging people now are gonna move from a box to box. If you say 2 biscuits in this shanda box there, 2 biscuits. So what kind of table now you could have to facilitate that volume a packaging there? And when you done do it, school that work now next 2 years and you don't do that. Plus, it's not like say the woman have 100 somebody because then again doing them sit there and want too much Refuting, so much gold. Because you can't rub butter in a puss mouth. Look how many other people do them give back and do the same thing but you know come out come talk.
Am I the only
People, me see them show you how a Rami noodle. Over and over, me see them show you how Rami noodle prepare. And if you see how Rami noodle prepare, you still near me. When you come and talk about Donna put packaging, some things are already in package and going in other bags and rest down and a chop all it on the floor. Eh? Have you ever seen how them prepare ramen noodle when them a package it? From me I grow them say, how true it is I don't know. Them say until you buy sugar you see the lump in me don't intend to sit nobody's stomach. So if you not eat, me I go in a few seconds feel like on the ears from that one or move away from the phone. From me I grow, them say when you buy sugar and you mix it, you see the lump come out. And when the sugar process and I go through the line, the sugar pour out on all the floor and the man them run the machine and it lump up. So when you come and talk about two little packaging where they put a chopper and already in safety package, them just rest on the floor and the chopper in because of the convenience of the space. You just want something to chat about. You just see like say you have a chat about Donna because it seems like you look at money off of that video, you know. Because from here you come out on this video, I'm sure know it's a money you look. Yes man, you look at money, you hope to earn $120 off of that video, yeah.
The people them not gonna consume the food. Should pile them up like garbage eat. Take the damn people food off of the ground. Take the people them food off the ground, man. Come on, man.
When you go to Chinese restaurant, them and them a restaurant all about where you go on Starbucks.
Respect.
Hey, as me talk about Starbucks, you are somebody who love Starbucks so much. I don't know how real these things are, but I've noticed that of late me see a whole heap of them pop up on TikTok. Where a person will come and I don't know what you want to see it. As I say, I don't know how real it is, so I have to say allegedly. A story pop up on TikTok where somebody say, I used to work at McDonald's, but I no longer work there, so I can talk now, I can speak. And them tell you this and that to go behind the scenes and go on with the food stuff at McDonald's. What they recently I see one come out talking about Starbucks. Them say when you come at Starbucks you see these freshly looking things about freshly fruit this or freshly cookies this. These cookies are refrigerated or these things are refrigerated for all 2-3 months. When you swear so them freshly prepared. And she tell you about one another sitting with one mixture sitting where they mix. And me I say, wow. Only if people did know. And just like the Chinese restaurant, them when we go to the Chinese restaurant, them, you know, me always I say, boy, John, no, I like reason with somebody. Although me know people work at the Chinese restaurant, but when me understand, most time, you see when these type of Chinese restaurant we have, when the meat and them sitting there cut up, the regular workers don't know nothing about it. The Chinese themselves come like a them do that part of the work there. Yes. Worse when them know say a certain meat, where them say is a certain thing, might not be, them do that part of the work there. So when you come in as a regular worker, you will say, sit the bag up mark chicken. But when you take a stack of flicking, and not chicken, but you only know because never you there see when it a cut up. Because if you did there and see when it a cut up, you not see say that are not chicken. But looking at the meat alone, you probably can't tell. You might assume say, oh, this a meat I look so. Because most time, honestly, when I go to Chinese restaurant, I buy like all hot and spicy chicken and certain chicken, and I see it look. And I know boy, most time them debone it from the breast and them something there. I say, oh, this I look so. You know, sometimes I'm worried about it. So if you see most of these things how them prepare where you name, for somebody like you will love talk about Starbucks, you only come out here and talk about the woman and package some things and I put down on the ground, pan a chapal. Concern about your belly and which part you name and drink. And stop concern about the woman affair which you do, not because you're back to school fail. And this is how you stay. You don't want to see nobody do nothing good. Kind of care good it is you find something bad to say. You can't just Go along and just say, alright, me not say nothing about that one because this is so good. You have to find something because you don't want the person to look good and stay look good.
I know, I take it half of
You
the
have to try bring them down some way.
and the people them food pile up like garbage in a pile.
Remember, this is not something she have to do, you know. She's not obligated to do this. When you see them feed the African and drop all the food from the sky, where you not going to talk about that? And the thing them a drop on them a war feed and them a go and feed, where you not going to chat about that? When the African are getting aid, and it a drop from plane and a drop from helicopter and all kind of shit, where you not going to chat about that? And this you find for come talk about? Donna, all because of Donna Marie go. The only name where you can't get mileage off of. There's no other name you can't get mileage off of.
You pass the food certification, and I'm sure if you did take that test, as you said, one of the questions on that test has to do with food on the ground. It has to do with food on the ground. It does. And the reason why they don't want food on the ground from a compliance perspective is because insects can get into the food.
Because stick up in certain occasions is different. In a case like this, it is different. But what I'm saying, so when you go to the supermarket, when you go to these storerooms, these haberdasheries, the food package into the box, into whatever bag it come in, majority of these foods are packed on the floor in storerooms. Some might depend on pallets, but whether it depend on the pallet, upon the floor, it the same way. The chapaling could subsidize the pallet, because the pallet depend on the ground and the food stuff depend on the pallet. So actually, it not really depend on the ground, it depend on the pallet. But any farmer insect can crawl up on the pallet and still go where the food is. Is that so? Just the same. Not because the chapaling exactly on the ground. Why you are going to say this? Because as me say, the insect can crawl upon the pallet because the pallet connected to the ground. It takes nothing for the insect to go on the pallet and go up to where he wants to go. Or she wants to go, because I don't know what kind of insect, female or male. I don't know, say me I deal with a female insect right here, so. The one here, so I want insect, female. So what's the difference? What's the difference? All these multi-purpose manufacturers, things stored on the ground, you know, have no problem. But a woman now, we are trying to do something for help people, which none of these people who are going to get these care packages. None of them. And not because they are poor and probably cannot afford. Because you're going to get people who still can afford. But it's just care packages, and if somebody want a care package and you can give them, why not? Now watch to them earn $1 out there, so the care package them get there, so might help them to use that $1 with them that take by that and do something else with them that want to do with probably at the next 2-3 weeks or next month and them have a plan to do that. So them could have saved that Monday and do what them want to do now. Month and now that Monday with them that take for do the care package can find to do something else, because you know as you go along you always find something to do with money. None of these people worried or concerned about what you concerned about. Because it's not like none of these people see the raw food pan the ground and scrape up and put in a bag and tie up. No. These stuff are already packaged by manufacturers and in a bag and box. Just temporarily rest on a chapaling because of the volume and you will find problem.
Easier access to insects and other stuff on the floor. Even if it's in our container, you're not supposed to put it on the floor. That's what the training said. Right?
So you were used to bake in a your little kitchen and washroom where you have. We never have no space. Where you used to put all your stuff then?
Not to put food on the ground. If you're frying a tub of chicken, you're gonna put it on the ground.
Sorry, I never did a video in the house so we get you know, with the volume so low.
No, you're not gonna do that. Out of respect for what's going in people's mouths. You're not gonna put the container and fried chicken on the ground. We're gonna serve the people now. You're not gonna put the container and rice and peas on the ground. We're gonna serve the people now.
What you worry about at the least?
It's the same thing with anything that you're gonna give to people.
What you worry about at your fail attempt?
What's this big production over you? What's the big production? I don't understand. You think the food then don't give out already. What's the big production? And really and truly she's making back the money. That's why she's showing you. And she's showing receipt of what she's spending.
You wanna hear the jealousy in her voice? What's the big production? What's the big production? You know what's the big production? Food keep coming in. Sponsors keep coming in. So even when you're ready for lock off, somebody still a come in and bring in something. And when you say somebody, when I mean like a small individual. Recognize companies. And this is how we jerk on the head. You pull out from he, she and the old lady. This is how we jerk on the head. The influence we she have in social media. The recognition we she get from people in social media. You're not going to get it from all because when the claim says she not get none from government, she still have a long way to go. And whether she get it or she not get it, that means nothing. Because there are so many people missing get honored. Me know 4 or 5 somebody right now will live in a this constituency here. The last one was a warder for long-standing award. And right now I'm supposed to retire and probably all him a get time pension. Me no see none of them co-worker them from the water corp a come and visit him on a weekly or a monthly basis come see him alright. He might have a one friend but me I talk the core. Come visit him. Me no see the governor general a leader entourage knowing that this man was an honoree at a mountain time come city that him alright. And you know our Indian, so you know Indian when them go up in an age what happen. Them know that as strong as we as you know. So you go on like say boy. Oh no, not you. I go on like say two should not get honored by the government of Jamaica. That's where our life stop. Or that's what our that's where our achievement is. So you want to tell me say if me want to achieve something in life and I have achieved it, but because the government don't honor me, that stop my achievement? No. Because your achievement no work nothing at all. It's just a recognition.
So it's not
But
like
that
she's coming
what you
over
achieve
from
from them
she's
no
gonna
work
make
nothing.
it back.
Just a recognition. That's all.
She's gonna make it back. Alright. You're gonna show the world that you give some food. You see like where me and there, what the guy they name over the weekend last week with
You see? You think she not smart, she smart. But them know. But you see, because them just want Donna to look bad. You hear her? She gonna make it back, she gonna make it back. How she gonna make it back? Come tell me how she gonna make it back. You know how she gonna make it back. And you know sir that beat no bad. The kind gesture, the honesty, and the willingness from the heart. Yes, she gonna make it back. Because this is what the people them see in her. So that's why when cake season start, she will always sell. Because that will be her payback. That will be her payback. Not like you waiting for the handout to come to say, oh, this Tina like what you did. Alright, Tina, so $300 a year towards you, whatsoever. You take it and you put 3/4 in your pocket. No, she's going to get her payback, yes. But how? By standing on her feet and baking her products. And get the support because of the genuine love that she have out there. For the kind gesture that she have done over the years. And that she use and beat on the bad. And now can't copy that. You know why now can't copy that? You know out here for too long. And you never see it. So you have to be kind and fair in a life. to achieve what you want as business people. She come and she do it, and she win the hearts of many. Yes. Not for who she did win them heart, did have other intention, and because of the other intention it not work out, so them swing against her. Plus the one them who genuinely feel like say she stopped them in them tracks by showing them up to all these people across the world who indulge in giving back to the less fortunate and couldn't see how them hard working money where them send to buy treating a baby feed to forget this baby mother. Them have to sit and wonder if the baby mother did get it. While Donna come and make them see every step of the way. From their money pick up, from their money go buy the something and from it deliver and from it to use. Every step of the way. And that give these people the confidence to know that them finally find somebody who can, you know, do the charity in the way where them want it to do, because it's about give back to the less fortunate. It's not about giving to the greedy. It's not about giving to criminal and thief like you, Tina. It's about assisting the needy. The needs when me see if assist this person, me want it happen. Me not want to send me things come and wanna say it happen and it not happen. Someone come and say not go buy one hard door because the last two door where them did have on the house and the little soft one them have to use inside. And the outside door them here. But wanna get the money now because the inside door value $50, the outside door value $200. When you get the $200 now if you buy the door, you go buy back another soft door and pack it at $150. So the people are gonna always they back a square one. That's what on a normal that do. Donna know she gonna buy the hard door. Everybody see when the door pay for and everybody see when the door put on. And days pan top of days, months pan top of days, and still I see the door. Till someone come and talk about she take back off a camera and she take off back all these things on talk about. So Uno will never reach our level. So stop grudge and jealous, man.
When people when a guy name over the post from a page, right? And Dino crazy. Him go give food to the people them downtown. And him just all him do is open up him truck back. Right? Him get him friend them together. And him say, yo, come, never give him some food to the people downtown. And boom, 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 him give the food to the people them downtown. That's it. You don't see nobody. You don't see no whole product. You don't see none of that. You don't see him give the food them and move on.
So out of the multiple amount of person who go downtown and give back to the street people downtown, why you pick out Dino Crazy only? And not just ordinary people. You have other people. You have L.A. Lewis go down there and him do it just the same as how you see Donna do it. You have Collar Smith go down there and Collar Smith do it just the same way you see Donna do it. So why you pick out Dino Crazy only? Because Dino Crazy do it the way where you can use as an example, say, I saw Donna should I do it. How many times Dino Crazy go down there to give about food? Why they have multiple other persons who have done it over and over. Collar Smith have him team where deal with it over and over. I think L.A. Lewis has seen it about 2 to 3 times. You have other people, I mean I tell you about celebrity and non-celebrity. People with a car where we know them. And we just say celebrity. And them do it just the same as how Donna do it. But you don't choose none of them there. You choose Dino Crazy because Dino Crazy suit the point where you want to carry across. So you single out Dino Crazy out of how much people will do it just the same how Donna do it. Move your nastiness. You come like down a Spanish town with an Oxford Street where the manual cover fly off and when you look at be a filthy water come out of it. You all germs, yo. Why you choose Dino Crazy out of how many people who go downtown and feed the homeless and video it and do it just the same as how Donna do it? Why you single out Dino Crazy only? Because him suit what you want to bring across.
With him life. You understand? The this whole production for about 5 days though you pack food and you pan up there, you do not need them. You just want to make sure say yourself in the video. You want everybody to say you in the video.
That's how I beat you. And many are uno. Uno just grudge how the woman being transparent. This is how she is from day one. Every bottle of water come, she want to see it. And that's why uno can't bring her down all now in her life. For 6 years, that's why uno can't bring her down. If she never did that do it, uno tear her down long time. Because if she had do it and be so transparent, I uno try so hard and still try to fabricate stories against her. Just imagine if she never did that be transparent. They not crazy to have the status of 99. They not crazy to have so many enemies waiting to see her downfall, to see him downfall like 99. So they not crazy, can't get him little thing from flow where him sign contract with, and little thing round there so, and little thing and put where him put out time pocket and do what him do without video it more than when him reaching this and that. She get people money where she know, oh no, sit down and watch to see her downfall, and she make sure so that not happen and for her part. It born on the
And you want everybody to know say you are do it and you are do it. The amount of time you repeat your name and say your initiative, your initiative, your initiative, your initiative. Yes, I know, we know it's your initiative. Don't repeat your name one more time. We know, we see a big body there in the picture. We see it, we see say your initiative. You don't need to reinforce that anymore, any further. We see it.
when you did go to the Clark store, say you buy Clark's the pitney last year. No, we can't see the Clarks on the pitney foot. No, we can't see who get the Clarks. I never video your video. The show say you buy Clarks to get pitney because of Clarks. If I did want to look at butter crepe, you wouldn't video it in, but you say a Clarks, you want to show it. So where the difference? But at the same time, up to today, we don't see the pitney way that the Clarks are who get the Clarks. And you will see in a Clarks. So you where you good at it though, take up one Clarks. Yes, the size, yes. Like you buy it, then off camera, you buy Clarks yourself with the money. Because up to today we don't see who get the Clarks. Up to today we don't see no pitney we can say, thank you Tina Chain from Tina Poop Up Cake Shop. Thank you Nancy Ratnamouth Tina for sending me these Clarks to go to school. And this bag and these books and this uniform. Thank you so much, T-Dal. I know we don't see nobody come say that, you know. Because nobody no get nothing. You did come to Jamaica long before school open, few days before school open, but you were having problem in carrying down the stuff. That you are searching people who are come down to carry down the stuff when you are come to Jamaica. Why you couldn't carry it down? And I like say you come down after school like a open. So you have to send it down because you don't want to have it and the people them not get it. So people are come down before school open, so you give them it. You were coming down before school open. So why, as a citizen of America, you couldn't carry down the things them? You make it look like a one container load of things where you send down or you go ship down and it's going to take days to reach. So you make sure you want to send it off in time. Few little bags. As according to you, because who tell if all in those bags wasn't your one at the time when we see at the store them.
All this show and every seed and I fling down food bank ground and all of this big production for 4 or 5. I just food what I'm gonna shit out.
We are content creators, unlike you who are just a troublemaker. We are content creators. You are just a troublemaker, a waste of time out here.
And I be a sugar, be a soda and juice. I vaguely remember when Andre did the film Back to School. When Andre shall compete against? Oh. But when Andre did his Back to School, now $1 million in giveaway or something, so $1 million into, oh God, I remember.
This is it, you always come on social media to compare people without facts. And use other people to compare why you can't do the comparing with yourself. What you have done for the years.
I'm going to mute the live and come right back. 2 seconds here. I'm going to mute the live. The electrical lady in the water cloth. Why you mention them name for? Then this little idiot girl come and talk about if anybody sponsored my back to school. What you want to know if people sponsor my back to school for? I never come out here and tell you I want sponsorship from nobody. Initially, I said this is mine, and it's my.
You come out here and beg sponsorship. At first, they make it look like it was coming from your pocket, which we know you don't have it. We know you don't have it. But you just feel like you're smarter than we out here. So you try your little Ponzi scheme business like it's all about from your pocket. Then you started to talk about who want to care for one of these persons, who want to do this. You can contact me if you want to go through me or you want to go direct to the parents. So no sponsor that you come out here big. When you're gonna say if you want to go through me or you want to go direct to the parents, you can. Or if you want to buy the book voucher from the bookstore, you can. No people you reach out to. All this should have to be behind closed door. We should even know say you do a back to school. And if you are going to do a back to school out of your pocket, you don't need to promote nothing and put up no flyers. So don't go like you can't trick nobody with a little Ponzi scheme. Why you put up a flyer? Say you're doing a back to school if you're never expecting any help from the public. You just feel like your brain big away.
And money. So what the hell are you talking about? The scam money is to collect money from the workers and the fake names. Yeah, man. That woman, they don't give her prayers here. From me watching her and seeing her thing 1 and 2 look at time, she don't give her prayers. She don't use her own money to do anything. Any money where she use, she go beg it back or she go get it back. You understand? Remember, Jamaica, she grew up in a man. And she grew up in Jamaica till she in her 40s. So she have the look of scamming skills. But she don't want to let go of her own money. No matter how much money she makes, she not letting her fight. Nope. She not let go of it. She mean to herself. Very mean. She not let go of her own money. Her money is for her. You know, you're just she welcomes to be in her life. She's not giving to give. Yeah. She has saved the receipt, but you want to audit later on, you know, audit. She gonna come on live and she gonna say, you know, see how much money I give away to the people them, and this is how I give away, and this is how I give away. We gonna go worrying for the rest of the blood life here. Yeah, man, we gonna take the food because nobody can't tell you enough to take the food. Take it, but try to say they got worried for the rest of the life because she can't talk about it. It's not going to be a help and forgetting, no? She can't talk about the little food that she do and how much bags that she give away.
One thing me know, probably 5 years from now, you're not used to yourself. You turn vegetable, your brain mash up. 5 years from now, your little brain are going to mash up. Nobody do it but you, because you worry over people.
The opposite of what she do. And everything what she do is going to become content, which is why she take 10 years to pack the bag them, because she want everybody to say she a pack bag.
So something wrong with that? She's a content creator. As me say, you're a troublemaker. She is a content creator. We are all a content creator. But you use the opportunity. What you do for create content is to fast in other people's content and criticize other people's content. You as a business person, you should not do the same thing. Why you have a problem with the woman using this to create a content? One, yes, you use it to create a content because you're a content creator. Two, you're giving it from your heart and you're doing it from your heart, not just because you want to do content from it. Three, you do it also to show the needs of people. Four, in a fair case, to show that people out there is still willing to give. Because look at the volume of things. So it is not just about content, but it's also to show the world all of these things that I just talk about. So if we can just unite and come together, we can make things happen. We can make things that look impossible be possible. It's not just what about content.
And she put one bag of sugar, diabetes in the bag them for the people them. Because it's a big production for her. She want to be like the Mr. Beast and the this and the that. It's all for her benefit. All to her benefit.
You get who she want to be like? But who you want to be like? You want to be like Donna. When you bake a cake and put in the whole of sugar in it and the whole of butter in it, you never consider say a cake where you mix and give people to eat, you can't give them diabetes too. Nothing outside of flour, sugar, butter, and probably coloring. You don't put into that cake where you can say have some health benefit to the person body where I go eat it. Nothing outside of that. Some of you want to know that me could have the me now. Well, probably most people might not have the time, most people might not know if to do it. But what she had do, me couldn't support fair cake business. Because me cannot put little flour, sugar, mix up that with and put it in our oven. And it's so simple to go up on Google and say, Google, how much degree to bake a light cake? How much degree to bake a pudding? How much degree? And Google will tell you. And you just turn your stove knob on it and make it stay in the oven to the bake. When it comes out, just shoot one knife in it and say, it's alright. Alright, one, go back in for another few minutes. You have put nothing, no little extra ingredients in a your cake or put them. And you don't think about them are going to give people diabetes. Who you too?
And the
One
mothers
from
them
my mother's
love
cheese
handout.
patty.
Them run in and take it and take the handout. Well, if them are suffer lovely, they can't really pick at them as suffer. This will be the first time she ever present a receipt. Somebody said the first time she ever present a receipt in her life, which makes sense, it's true. And the first time she ever present a receipt in her life, yeah? The first time she ever, oh wait, you know, she have to outdo everybody, you know. She have to try outdo everybody. When she get all of these bags of sugar, diabetes, when I understand what I have to do.
And so sad. She try outdo everybody. But you are not one of that person. It is so sad. For you to be saying this and you are not in the slate of anybody where she want outdo. Wow.
Back to school still, but okay. You can't fight against her still. she's giving food. Sugary or not, she's giving food. I can understand it videoing it one time. Yes, but it's a production real talk. Should not be doing it one time. For big production. Oh, and look at these bags. Oh my God, I am so tired. Oh, and then she stand up over the food.
So, if Donna want to make 10 different content out of the one give back, what have to do with you? Oh, I can't tell you what have to do with you. Donna make 10 content out of the one give back, she gonna make 10 different money from YouTube. That's your problem. And when you say 10 different money from YouTube, we not talk about 10 and $20 like what you want to make. You understand? Who would do that? Who would do that as a content creator? Marketing strategy. And that's how you're not having your business, and that's how your business fail you. Because you start fail your business before your business fail you, you know. Never know say your business going to end up fail you, know, because once you try to fail your business, it will fail you. But I feel like say you try to fail your business, you're going to stand up and look at you and say, oh, come on, push. No, it will fail you. Because you are the root of your business. Your business cannot grow without you. No way at all your business can grow without you. And if you don't have the management skill, it won't grow. So if Donna want to make 10 content out of that give back, why you should be the one complaining and concerned about what she does. Eh? Why? Everything she do bother you, son? You really make a fool and you answer yourself out here when it come on to that woman, yeah.
She do another video, then she go back around the side there, and she do another production, and she go back around the side there, and she have the food them on the floor, and she turn up over the food them on the floor, and she have video the food them pile up like trash bag on the one and the other. I said, Jesus Christ. But you know, sister, my girl have spokesperson. The other day when Andre did come out for her, a older brown girl they come on the video and talk for her. They say they love likes, you see. A older brown girl they come out and talk on their app. You ever see that brown girl in the video before? All of a sudden the brown girl they come up in the video and talk up for her. I say, watch your money around. Hey, hey. Show off. I see show off.
Big up yourself, Donna Marigo. All when you want your name for low key, you will always have these dogs barking your name out. So it won't be low key. You hear, mama? These dogs will be always barking your name.
But really, you mothers want to know the self-worth for real. You know the self-worth, right? Next thing she got a video on the picnic. She got a video on the picnic. I can't.
You're talking about short sugary drink and biscuit and sweets and diabetes. How many of these kids that will benefit from these care packages is eating otherwise or drinking otherwise? How many of these kids who is going to get these care packages is eating otherwise and drinking otherwise? Is it that these kids were eating nutritiously, healthy, and Donna come on board now want to change their eating habit and what they eat? So it should have been a concern to you why you come out here and do my name? I don't think so. Most of these kids is the same sugary drink and sugary food and snacks they normally eat on a daily basis. Some can't even find it to eat it. But yet still, assistance is coming their way, but tutor come from Donna go. It's a topic.
I collect the local food, the local bag of food, right? Remember, the internet never forgets. And whatever on the picnic, whatever on the record on the picnic, it's about them on Facebook, it's about the classmates are going to see it, the teachers are going to see it. But think about those things. When you're not going to collect the one bag of flour or rice at the groceries, one of again. Just think about that. People are going to see you standing in line, waiting on our grocery bag. You understand me? Oh, the brown girl is our stepdaughter. What do you mean our stepdaughter? So shit.
When you hear me talk about this on my channel, that's why it's hard for me to find the parents to come up front. Because the school fee for the picking them from last year trying to do this is only one parents come up front. What? Let me tell you last year. 2 years ago. And the same thing when she come out here and try to put on the people in them head. But remember, you're going to stand up in your line. Your school mate is going to see this. Your teacher is going to see this. The teacher got for this. Me and the principal, I'm going to give the 2 school fee to her school. Said many days she have to share fair lunch with students, and these students are babies. To show you how the mother has no responsibility or care about her own child. But here still when you look, fingernail well done. Party just done come from and post on status and all kind of things. So what if these kids can get something? Why you should have a problem with it? And talking about line up and pick me, I go see her collect this. You know what of them are collect to? You know what of them are glad to collect to? You know what parents are teachers are glad for 2 of them care package, eh? You're just finding an excuse to build a problem. That's all.
She married? Oh, I the man daughter. Oh, so she have brown man. Is a brown man she there with? What it cloth? How you done say to me?
Whoa, topic change. Donna business now. Personal life.
Oh,
When
so
I
the
know so it
stepdaughter
going, she
come
got
out now
interested,
and talk up here now. So with the stepdaughter they did get all along. All these years the stepdaughter just show
When I know
up
so
out
it
of
go, you gotta hear it
nowhere,
now,
so. Wow, okay. So the stepdaughter is our spokesperson now. Oh, the great defender. Oh, okay. Oh, she bleach out or she brown? Is a bleacher. Oh, so the bleacher come. Oh, okay. You
Hey,
don't
we
know
say,
that, but that's
you and the
just
people them, whether you, cause sometimes nobody not say nothing still, you know. But you see, you set of people them over there, so. Under set
Oh,
of
she said a
waste
lot of
garbage
people.
we
So
can't even
it start
recycle.
there already. It start there already. K Willis.
You
But she
and your
has say a
people
lot
them
of
over
people
there,
are
so it's
call on
like
her phone. She don't want
waste
nobody
garbage we
call her
can't
phone
even
and all them
recycle.
somebody. You see? She don't want nobody call on her phone or call my phone. Lord have mercy. Oh, I want to take food from somebody like that. Oh, I want to take anything from somebody like that. Just out of curiosity. I don't want to take things from anybody like that. I know so she do it just for build up herself. She doesn't do that, you know, because she have something in the pipeline what she try to get out of people.
You know, it's when time she come, listen out for GoFundMe.
Should I do that out of the goodness of her heart? Trust me.
Cause you sit down and think hard about what is her next move, you know. Every day you sit down and you think about what's her next move.
The stepdaughter is always around.
People,
Oh,
honestly, me them not going no further, cause there's a lot more, but me them not going no further. Me not try to show you how concerned this girl is over every damn thing where the woman do. And she said the woman done, she said she don't watch her, but she sit down and concerned, she think all the woman next move. Because about 2 weeks before Donna comes, she said when Donna come, bet you, anytime you hear she come to Jamaica, because she know Donna will come to Jamaica soon, you know. Is it that she think about the back to school business, or she know say coming down for cake season. So here, bet you she come, you got hear her about she launch GoFundMe. What was her intention and who the GoFundMe you gonna launch for? I never know, because there's nothing in the pipeline that I hear that okay, XYZ. But she's just always thinking what's Donna's next move. So she have to come up with something. Speak my mind, people, bless upon yourself, and thanks for watching. Come to the end of another video. You know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Please to watch the ads, continue to support the backup channel on YouTube Life is a Mission TV and on TikTok Life is a Mission TV. Please remember, continue to support the merch on the website of charmsandtrends.shop. When you support the merch, t-shirt, Speak My Mind, Life is a Mission, tumblers, mugs, you name it, caps, you help me to continue to support the needy and not the greedy. Bless upon yourself and keep your heart clean. Remember, dirty heart can't sweep it broom. Yeah? Just remember that.